What's going on? Today we're going to take a look at PRISM software. And if you can notice in the background, I have a TV on, and I have my two little ones, a 6-year-old and a 9-year-old in the background. Because today we're going to talk about audio filters. So the whole thing about audio filters, we're going to go into PRISM. And you see we already have a scene set up right here. Hang on a second. Yeah. I'm doing a video. I'm making a video on how to do background noise. Alright, so with that said, that was my little one. So we get PRISM open, get it installed, you get your source in there, and you get your mic in here. We're just going to click the three dots, we're going to go to filters. And this is super simple, so go ahead and follow along. We're going to install a 3-band equalizer. We're going to put in noise gate, and then we are going to put in noise suppressant. And you will see that after we do all three, the sound will be better. But if you look right here, you will see the amount of audio. Right about there.
I'm gonna start building mine. Dark. Oh yeah, this is looking really good. It's looking amazing. Do that. Business.
And we're going to change this to SpeedX, low CPU usage, lower quality, but it's needed to get these noisy kids out of the sound.
What? Food.
And there we have it. It is quite suppressed, to a degree.